day and welcome. We are so pleased to share you our breakthrough innovation, which is the first inspection workpiece management system ever implemented in Petronas. It has been gratifying to see how the system has played an important role, especially during this difficult time. Here's Farid to tell you how we got here.
Hello, have you ever experienced the time when you think the world should have moved faster and the workflow should have been more efficient? That's what we felt about Special Report. This workflow consumed tremendous time and energy. In fact, the report submission to the final personnel may go up to 59 days. In this fast-paced world and the risk of jeopardizing integrity of our equipment, we simply could not afford that. And that's why we came up with the greatest solution ever created, introducing IWLMS.
IWLMS is a product of determination and the strive to success. All users have the access to the report anywhere, anytime, and at any situation. The dashboard interface is simple, aesthetically pleasing, and intuitive in a single platform that is secured in line with the data and cybersecurity standard by Group Digital. It notifies the users at each step of the stage, which we can seamlessly and accurately track, monitor, and update the inspection report. And here is Hazim to talk about how we continuously strive to improve on this already powerful system.
Continuous improvement has been the core of this project. We listen to numerous feedback so that the system can be enhanced, curated to the customers in mind.
A simple amendment, yet so impactful. Now you can easily edit the report picture with the colorful markup functions. This allows precise report submission with greater depth of understanding for rectification work. Next, all assigned equipment and piping tagging number are now automatically registered in the database. It means that all history and data for each equipment can be analyzed and scrutinized further right before your eyes.
Here is Hisham to highlight on how this impactful innovation has contributed to our workers, business, and environment.
We are so proud that our product have benefited and enriched many lives of our people and surrounding. We have achieved beyond the stretch target by reducing the time taken for inspection worklist registration from 59 days to only 14 days. Moreover, we managed to optimize our manpower cost, which is equivalent to reduction of OPEX almost 1.34 million ringgit per year. Among others, we are proud to announce that the workflow produced zero carbon emission by totally eliminating the usage of paper. We are excited to see you embarking in this amazing system. Thank you so much. Go Sustainability!
Terdapat beribu-ribu report yang perlu saya plan for rectification. Jadi dengan adanya IWLMS, report-report ini jadi tersusun dan sistematik.
With IWLMS, inspection worklist preparation, review, screening and planning has become much more efficient. Collaboration among different parties was not impacted during MCO because IWLMS can be accessed anytime and anywhere.
IWLMS provides transparency of report flow across different parties, so everybody can track the status of the worklist in real time. This presents insights to improve our efficiency and productivity.
Thank you all for joining us. Starting today, our IWLMS is ready to be replicated and shipped to any OPU upon request. Stay safe, take care, and have a great day.